Hey, we got another mower comparison video for you today. We got a Super SF, a 2024. And this is just a bomb that I bought off a marketplace for $4,000. This is a 2021 Super S with 1,274 hours. I have performed a little bit of general maintenance as far as making things proper, like getting it the right blades, did a valve adjustment, oil and hydraulic oil change. And I messed around with the carburetor a little bit to get a little more out of her. This is just a Super SF, 50 hours on it. VX 60-inch deck, electric lift, oil guard system, dual tanks. I don't like dual tanks. I don't like filling up, taking off two caps. I don't like it at all. But this comparison video is going to be a little bit surprising. This isn't going to go the way that everybody thinks it's going to go. This is a $4,000 machine. This is a $14,000 machine, $15,000 machine. We're going to have a little mow off, what we like about both machines, and it's going to be different than what you think. So there we made a couple passes with the Super SF, Super S, comparable machines. If I was going to do it again, I would try to find one of these machines with higher hours. You're able to fix a couple stuff. If you're not handy, probably don't buy a used machine. We had to make some modifications with this one to make it work. Cuts just fine. Maybe not as fast, but you're talking $11,000 difference in machines that you really couldn't tell which one was in each spot. So I mean, that's kind of on your table. At the end of the day, that thing's quick, works. It's a pretty dang good machine. I thought I was gonna say that this thing was the deal of the day, and what a deal. Just as good as that. That's not true. That thing's, the hydros are smooth. I could probably do better stripes if I just slow down a little bit because I'm a little jumpy. That's me just being a poor operator. But that thing cuts good, quick. It feels lighter than this, but I think that's just these controls are just a little lazy. It's got 1,300 hours on it. So yeah, they cut the same. Happy with both machines. Although, if I could have found one of these right away, I definitely think I would have saved a couple bucks. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, comment if nothing else. Let me know if the video is getting better or worse, trying to talk more. But let me know down in the comments. Everybody have a great day.